Introducing the high-quality outdoor charcoal BBQ grill, designed for 4 to 6 people. Whether you're grilling juicy steaks, sizzling burgers, or perfectly braising tender ribs, this grill delivers that authentic smoky flavor every time. Crafted from durable cold-rolled iron plate, this grill is built to withstand high temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. It measures 42 by 40 by 30 centimeters, with a spacious grilling area of 35 by 23 centimeters per grid, giving you enough space to cook multiple items at once. Weighing only 4 kilograms, this grill is lightweight and easy to carry, making it the perfect companion for backyard cookouts, camping trips, beach picnics, and outdoor gatherings. Whether you're at home, at the park, or on an adventure, enjoy delicious barbecue wherever you go. What makes this grill stand out? It comes with 2 grilling grids, allowing you to cook different types of food at the same time. The 2 heat shields ensure even heat distribution and protect the body of the grill, making cooking safer and more efficient. With a high temperature-resistant coating, you don't have to worry about paint peeling off, even after multiple uses. This means your grill stays looking great while maintaining top performance. Setting up is simple. Just place the charcoal on the heat shield, never directly on the grill, to ensure even heating and prevent damage. And remember, this grill is designed for charcoal only, so avoid using wood to maintain its durability. Packaged securely in a carton with foam padding, your grill arrives safe and ready to use. No complicated assembly, just unpack, set up, and start grilling. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience today with this reliable and efficient charcoal BBQ grill. Enjoy the taste of real barbecue anytime, anywhere. Click the URL link below the description to order yours now.